Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about the death of organic growth. Now, when we're talking about organic growth, what do I mean by that? I mean by getting something for free. For example, if you're posting something on social media and the platform is distributing it to different people, and then you're getting some people to engage with it, maybe even checking out your profile or to visit your website. And maybe some people even buy it. So you put out a free post, you didn't pay anything for it, and then you're getting something free in return. The most popular form of organic growth is probably Google. You're basically creating content, articles on your website, and then some people typing in some keyword, and Google is presenting your website. You're getting people who are like warm or hot leads to your website and have the opportunity to convert them into customers. Now the thing is, all of those platforms are doing this completely for free. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to put in the work to create the organic content, to write the articles, to create the social media post. And then when you do this, you would get some free traffic, and then you have the opportunity to convert the free traffic into paid, to convert the free traffic into customers. Now here's the thing, the platforms know how valuable they are. They know they have millions of users every single day, and they know how attractive this potential is for any business in the world. And because of that, you have for once a lot of competition, people creating a lot of social media posts, and they're creating a lot of articles to rank on Google, to get found on social media. You have the big competition, and then you also know that the platform has to live off something. So they know the value that they have. They know how valuable it is to have all of those users segmented based on different interest categories. They're willing to buy. They just have to select the right people, and they know how much this is worth to businesses, and they just cash in on that. They know how valuable this is, and they're gonna make you pay to get it. Like in the early days, you might get organic reach. If you had like a Facebook page, you could get a ton of free traffic. Now the reason why the platform was doing this, because the platform was in a growth state and needed venture capital, so they have to show that everyone is using the platform. So how can they get people to use it if it's giving people results? If people start using that, business coming in, creating content, they're driving business. Everyone is talking about Facebook and what a great platform it is and how much money they're making from that platform. So this was the early growth phase. But now what happened? Everyone is on Facebook. Everyone is using it. It's overused. There's too much content going on. There is an abundance of social media posts, and it has flipped like this. In the early days, you had the problem there was not enough content there. Now there is too much content. And now every social media network can cash in on this by putting a price tag on reach. So how does it work? Well, on Facebook, when you have a page, you can boost a post, which is basically meaning you're turning any content on your page into a paid ad. Then it will be seen by more people. The organic reach, let's say you have 1,000 people following your Facebook page. Now, in a traditional sense, you might only get 10 people organically to watch it. If you pay a little bit, you might get on all the 1,000 people to see your content. You might even go a step further and say, let's show that also to their friends who have similar interests. And suddenly your post is not seen by 10 people, not by 1,000 people, but by 10,000 or 50,000 people. Now this is the big trend that we're going to see a lot more boosted content. Now also Facebook is realizing it's quite inconvenient. Every time you have to boost every single post, it becomes a choice. And people thinking about, is it really worth it? Should I really boost that? Will that really help me? Will that really make me money? So Facebook and other platforms are losing out a lot of money by making it an on-demand business. So what have they started recently? They're creating those, let's call it boost memberships. It's basically you're paying a certain fee, and then Facebook or Twitter will automatically select the best possible post that they think might work for your audience and then boost them automatically. It's kind of like a membership site, and you're just putting out some money. You say like, okay, I want to spend $50 this month. I want to spend 5,000, and I trust Facebook or Twitter or whatever platform is coming out there to boost my post to get enough reach. Now, if you have a really good sales funnel and all of your boosted posts convert into a landing page or an article which leads to like an opt-in form, and you have like an email sequence at the end which is like proven over thousands and thousands of customers to convert consistently warm leads into customers, then by all means this is a great opportunity for you to put your promotion on Facebook, Instagram, Instagram, Twitter on autopilot. Let's see it for what it is. Organic Reach is a free trial where they give you like the bare minimum just to show you how it works and to show you the potential. But anything real, treat it as a subscription. If you want to put an ad in a newspaper, you have to pay for it. Make the transition, change your mindset, see it, Facebook is just like a newspaper and you have to pay for it if you want to get seen. Let me know in the comments, do you think organic growth is dying? What do you think of Boost memberships? And make sure that you hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get more marketing strategy videos right in your inbox.